Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump.
And we have the best carbon emission numbers that we've had in 35 years under this administration. We are working so well with industry, but here's what we can't do. Look at China, how filthy it is. Look at Russia. Look at India. It's filthy. The air is filthy. The Paris Accord, I took us out because we were going to have to spend trillions of dollars, and we were treated very unfairly. When they put us in there, they did us a great disservice. They were going to take away our businesses. I will not sacrifice tens of millions of jobs, thousands and thousands of companies because of the Paris Accord.
Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump. Namaste Trump.
Look at India. It's filthy.
मैं कहूँगा इंडिया यूएस फ्रेंडशिप आप बोलेंगे लॉन्ग लिव
Look at India. It's filthy.
इंडिया यूएसए फ्रेंडशिप इंडिया यूएस फ्रेंडशिप इंडिया यूएस फ्रेंडशिप
Look at India. It's filthy.
Friends, I present to you my friend, India's friend, the President of the United States of America, Mr. Donald Trump. हम सब खड़े होकर के नमस्ते ट्रम्प, नमस्ते ट्रम्प.
Look at India. It's filthy. Look at India. It's filthy.